As I mentioned in the previous video, the one-stop-shop Swiss Army knife of a platform I'm talking about at the core of your money-making system is LeadsLeap. Whether you have come across this platform before or not, it is worth checking out what this platform can do for you. When you sign up for the free membership of LeadsLeap, you are getting all the following features at your fingertips. A way to create traffic to your sites. A list manager. You are allowed 10 lists and unlimited subscribers. A page builder. You are allowed 10 pages with hosting included. Also provides easy importing of pages using a simple share code. This is the functionality I use to make the setup of your funnel as easy as possible. A pop-up creator. This provides you with the option of creating up to 10 pop-ups. These are a great way of making the most of any traffic you get. You are able to use this functionality to capture people who are exiting away from a page to offer them something else that might interest them. An ad bar creator. This functionality allows you to create ad bars at the top of just about any web page promoting an offer you want. You can create up to 10 ad bars. A link tracker. This was the functionality that originally attracted me, and you get to track unlimited links. Link rotator. You are able to create up to 10 link rotators. Recurring commission program. This is a key aspect of the system for this funnel and the first way you can start creating recurring payments. Even as a free member, you will earn 25% commission on any members you introduce who upgrade to a pro membership. As you are promoting LeadsLeap on this page, this is the first of the potential recurring incomes you will create. As good as the free membership is though, the pro version of the membership can really send your efforts into overdrive. The additional functionality of the pro membership includes more traffic to your sites. With the pro version you can create hands-free traffic. In other words, there is no need to build up credit for your ads to be shown. List manager. You are now allowed unlimited lists and subscribers. Page builder. Again, you are allowed unlimited pages with hosting included. Pop-up creator. Once more, with the pop-up feature there is no limit on the number you can create. Custom path. Although it might not seem obvious, this is a particularly good feature as it allows you to appear more professional by being able to personalize your tracked links. Link rotator. As with many of the other features, the limit is removed when it comes to the number of rotators you can create. Autoresponder. With the Pro membership, you can schedule email sequences to be triggered and sent automatically. This is a really important element in the funnel I'll be showing you. If you want to include the welcome email sequence, you will need this functionality. The funnel can be created without the follow-up emails, but it will drastically reduce your chances of getting new subscribers to sign up for the recurring offers you will be promoting. 50% commissions. This is a key improvement of the Pro membership over the free membership. The commission you earn for your members who upgrade to Pro goes from 25% to 50%. In other words, you get twice the commission from the members you sign up. It is also worth noting that with this increase you only need to introduce 2 Pro members and your own membership is covered, and you are in effect getting all the features mentioned here, and also the features I've not mentioned, at no cost. I'll be honest and say that although I have been a LeadsLeap member for a very long time, for most of that time I was a free member. It was only relatively recently I spotted the full potential of the system and upgraded. Since that time, I have commission payments coming through on a near daily basis, and I'm using much more of the other functionality to earn even more online. And you can too. Although I missed out on it, it is also worth pointing out that if you upgrade within the first 24 hours, you can get the Pro membership with a lifetime discount. So in summary, although you can get a free account and set up the funnel, without the welcome email sequence, it is well worth considering the Pro upgrade if you are serious about getting the most from the system. In the next video I will be showing you how to set up your funnel using the LeadsLeap functionality to make the process as quick and easy as possible.